gonna really seal it using my precision glue on all the edges, gaps, cracks right there. So it prevents from catching on their hand, their clothes. I don't know. This would be one of my favorites too. Different, but then it's you know what, the chromes affects it, changing it. And then I did the chromes earlier, which is I'm gonna show the whole entire chromes section tomorrow too. What is I think it's an emerald something. Holochromatics. I really like it. It's like a really different dance. It's not too much of holo, but it's not too much just plain. It's just like have combination of it. Different. This one, different. But I like this one too, and like part of it with Pixie. You can draw it more if you want to. And the bee team is really stunning. You can put bees, you can put butterflies. Either ways, it's gonna look so gorgeous. Hi, Scary. Hi, Telma. Hi, Sarisa. And come out to yard every single time. Thank you so much, Messi. This now is completely done. Look different, everyone's all stunning. Hope you, I don't know which one is your favorite. Okay, so I don't know which one is your favorite. You tell me. It's all done, 4 of them. I feel like this one we can do like whole entire diamond dust pixie on it. Can do some chrome tomorrow. All stunning and cool. Let's see. I can't wait tomorrow. We have a lot of stuff. So thank you so much. Thank you, Foxy. Hope you ladies like it. You know, the first one, we did the second one. Everything with Pixie except this one. This one will have fusion ink. That was Vicky were asking for it too. And this one was fusion ink, Chanfu foil, crystal placement. It's have everything in there. The second one. I don't know. I like them all. All over, I like them all. They're different. As I said, this one is really different because it was something with the clients. Like, if you know, or I don't know if any of you were playing with like a crystal mat, like you get the crystal in place on it, so it looks like 3 dimensions. 3-dimensional says look, the nails it look like that. It feel like that. It's just like you're seeing it underneath, but then it was the crystal in there. And this one is really cool though. It's like really summery to me.